Good morning, everybody. On our last day of the 2002 Z06 Corvette auction on Bring a Trailer, user MF DeGrazia 62 asked a couple questions about photos 89, 90, and 91, some chipped paint or little blemishes that I pointed to. So let's start with picture 89. That was the top edge of the hood right here where there were a couple little spots, black spots or gray spots. Before doing this video, I just got the spray detailer out in a microfiber and kind of worked on those, and they just disappeared. So that's no longer there. Zero flaws on the top edge of the hood there, but that's where that piece was. The other two, 90 and 91, you can see the passenger's headlight in those pictures at the end. So let's look at that. We had the one was on the hood, these two little spots. So there's our passenger's headlight right up there. Here are the two spots that I point to. These appear to be paint chips, and this hood, the entire hood of this car and part of the front fenders, but the entire hood is covered with a 3M clear bra. And these two little chips are under the clear bra. So they were there before the clear bra was installed, and they are, you know, I'm not sure what else to tell you, but they're shallow little chips under the clear bra. So the clear bra would have to come off to do anything with those. Then the second photo is of this light little scratch here, and there was a spot next to that in the photo, which I just microfibered off. It was kind of the same gummy stuff that was on the other picture in picture 89. So this is no clear shield on this piece. You can see the 3M clear bra on the fender ends right here, but the entire hood is covered. So this is actually just the body of the car, no 3M clear film. And this is just a super shallow, I can't even feel it with my fingernail. So I'm not as familiar with fiberglass and Corvette stuff as you guys probably are. So I'm not sure. Whenever somebody tells me something buffs out, I never believe them, because it's really got to be a light scratch for it to buff out. But I can't feel that with my fingernail, so I'll let you guys be the judge. And thanks for joining the auction, and we'll see how we end up here at about, I think, about 3:30 Eastern time today.